Hi, welcome back to Study Times. My name is Sign. As always, thanks for watching my videos. So, as you can see, we have 3 things. Note this experiment may take days to complete actually. So if you're a patient person, try this one. If you're not, just try some of our other experiments. So anyway, as you see, we have a bottle, a banana. You can be any type as you can see, and a balloon. So what are we gonna do? First, we take off this banana skin and put the fruit inside this bottle, and then just close the balloon on top of it like a lid. And then wait for at least a few days. That's basically it. Okay, so after we complete the setup, now we have to wait for a few days. As I said in the beginning, it takes a long time, a bit of a long time, around around 10 days or something like that, or probably even longer. So yeah, you have to be patient in order for this experiment to actually work. So yeah, just to let you know. So this is the result after at least 5 days. Note that we have put 2 bananas. So if you didn't get too much, it's probably because either that it's too widespread. We put it in a bit of a small bottle. So it kind of blows a bit more. So try making sure that you fill the entire bottle to get like large amounts. So after a few days, so as you can see, we just to let you know, we used 2 days. We did this for at least a few days using a water bottle from Costco and also 2 bananas. So anyway, so you might be wondering, why did it happen? It's because of decomposition. So decomposition upon, which is basically kind of like going back to regular mush, and yeah, it's actually so as you can see, the balloon blew after a few days of just letting it go. Just to let you know, well, in order to get possibly the same results, you'll need a water bottle. Just to let you know, a water bottle from Costco. You can find those So anyway, 2 bananas and a balloon, obviously any type of balloon, to be honest with you. Okay, so as you can see, the balloon got inflated after a few days, and I promised you that we didn't blow it. So anyway, why did this happen? Well, honestly, because decomposition, and yeah, the bananas decomposed, and when they decomposed, they produced methane, obviously. Not obviously, and methane is a gas. Methane can also be harmful in many different ways, so yeah, just try not releasing it in the air. So anyway, thanks for watching our videos.